Hi, my name is Jacob, and I will be showing you how to graph points with a coordinate grid. Okay, this is the y-axis. Now this is the x-axis. We will be doing 3 and 4. 3 will go on the x-axis, which is right here. 4 will go on the y-axis, which will be here. So now, we will be moving from 0 to 3, which will be right here. Now, after that, we can get rid of 3 for now. We can ignore it, and we can focus on 4. 4 will be going on the y-axis right here. You will meet the numbers right about here. Then you will mark it. Let's do another example. Let's do 6 and 2. Now 6 will go on x-axis again. 2 will go on y-axis. Let's put a point on 6, put a point on 2. When they meet, they should meet right about here. Okay. Now, it's for our last example. Now, what you will do, 1 and 6. Now, 6 goes on the y-axis, 1 goes on the x-axis. Putting another point to make sure. Now, they will connect about here. And that's how to graph on a coordinate grid